I'm going to show you how you can download and play the new Hollow Knight Silksong in just a few steps. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So this process is very easy. We have been waiting for this game for a long time. So all you need to do is go to Steam, then right here just search for Hollow Knight. Here we got it. And now we are going to scroll down until you see add to cart. So click this button and now view your cart, and now just continue to the payment. So you will have different payment methods available. In my case, I have some balance on my Steam wallet, so I'm just gonna scroll down, click this checkbox and accept this purchase. So let's wait for a few seconds, and now we can click right here to install the game. So just choose the drive and click install. So after you have done that, you can click the download right here at the bottom to see more details. And now after a few minutes, we will have the game ready to begin playing. So after you download the game, you will even have 2 hours to test the game. And if you don't like it, you can even ask for a refund, which they will grant you if you didn't pass the 2 hours limit. So that's it. That's how you can download and play the new Hollow Knight in just a few steps. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.